All right, YouTube, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since I uploaded once again, but today we have good news. Today I am installing some new parts on the G37 to R35 build thing to run and drive. What I know what is wrong on it is the alternator is bad and the blower motor was bad. New blower motor, the new alternator, brand new alternator, looks great. Evo sitting here, so I'm gonna move the Evo out the way and then move the GTR over here. So let's do that. All right, so we are gonna start the wife's Evo real quick. All right. Up, I'm going to go ahead and take the tarp off of the G37 and connect the battery. Oh man, yo, I'm getting excited. You just look at it, it's coming together. It's coming together real cool. But I'm gonna move this Evo out the way and then get it ready. We're gonna unbox this new blower motor, compare it to the old blower motor. All right guys, this is the old blower motor. They do look a little different as far as like the shape of the actual like the computer, I guess, for it, or the, you know, the motor. I don't know. It looks a little different. This one is more like, I don't know, that shaped. This one's more like a weird, almost square. All right, so blower motor's down here, 3 screws, and we're gonna go ahead and install this new one. All right guys, after like 4 pairs of broken gloves, we have the bad alternator here. It's same plug, same connector. Cool. All right, look at the top, look at it from the top. Yep, all the same, and the front, all the same. All I did was, of course, remove the intakes. I unscrewed the 2 10mm bolts right here and there for the reservoir. This top alternator bolt's like really long, so usually what happens is when you try to pull it out, it like hits the fan right there. It like hits the fan, so I moved the fan up enough so I could slide it all the way out. Yeah, but yeah, that's how that works. All right guys, I have officially changed the alternator. The old one is right there, new alternator. Anyways, change that out. I'm gonna drop the car off the jack stands, and we're gonna see if it fixed our alternator issue. All right, I got the car lowered back on the ground. Now I'm gonna grab my multimeter. Let's see, 12.50 volts while the car is not running. So now we're gonna start it. Move the car from my driveway so I can pull the Evo back, and I'm going to just park it right here. All right, so it's reading 14.3, which is good.